place an object inside the orange box. No! There's a backboard. There's a backboard. Backboard. The T. No. The R. The R. The R. No. The T. The T. The 7. The 7. The 9. Perfect. Perfect. Are you kidding? Okay, a perfect shape. Oh. The big. Also perfect. Oh, that's perfect. Wonderful. No. P for please go in. Please. P for please. P for please. Oh no. That is perfect. P for perfect. Okay, yeah. Yeah. Oh no, no. Oh. This is wonderful. Okay, the R. The R is gonna curve. T. The T. F for fleas. For fleas. Wait a second. Oh. T shape. Oh, are you kidding? R again. R strikes again. Just doing it once. Wait, no, what is it? The B. No, that's not B. That's a P. No, it's an X. I don't know what I'm saying. Oh, X marks the spot. X marks the spot. No. That was not what I meant to do. So that perfect shape. Are you kidding? The big shape. Are you kidding? 7. 7. And energy bolt. Are you kidding? Wait, watch this. Watch this. Are you kidding? Energy bolt. Nope. Energy bolt. N, get it? No, it's not an N, it's 2. Ugh. Okay, let's get this in right now. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my. Perfect. Perfect. No. Perfect. Oh no. Are you kidding? Perfect. Perfect. Yeah. Are you? Okay, get in now. 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 Oh my. Are you kidding me? Get in the box. Okay, we got the free. That's not free though. That's something. I don't know what that is. Oh, what's my hand? perfect tea. Perfect. No. The tea. Ooh. The spiky thing. Spiky. Achoo. You didn't know. The S. B. No. Not the S. Losing. Oh. Megan's on. Just get in. Oh my god. It's not that hard. Oh my god. Okay, I'm done. Just get the stupid pillar in there now. Get.